Right, so this is the Ring Chime. It's like a doorbell to go with your Ring video doorbell, and this you can place anywhere in the house, connect to the same Wi-Fi, so it will at least give you a sound notification inside the house, which usually happens through the phone. Opening the bag, we have a plug adapter here. We have some documents on how to do warranty and what to scan. It's a cute looking small bell. You can put it anywhere in the house. I don't think it is battery operated like the Chime video I have. There is a button as well, and there's all this is false packaging. There's nothing else. So for a pack which is this short, you have a big box, and you have a plug that converts to Asia style, UK style, whichever you want. That's a good one, and you basically fit it like this. So now it becomes a India style plug. I also got a spare battery. A battery is lasting easily for more than 30 days, so you are able to use the Ring doorbell for 30 days. I've used a double-sided tape which is at the door, and I am able to get 30 days, so I charged the second spare battery for 30 days. The second battery gets charged and I can again use it for 30 days. This is a neat one. You saved some money by going with a gray paper, recycled paper, some cost there. This is a battery which you can plug in, charge from here. It gets a LED notification here. You press this button to take the battery out from the Ring doorbell, and this is how it looks. Thank you guys.